Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and make my bold prediction. Will Ambr stock prices skyrocket in 2025? Let's find out. The world of stocks can be a wild ride, and predicting what's going to happen next is always a challenge. Ambr stock, in particular, has been on a lot of investors' radars lately, with many wondering if it's going to take off in 2025. There are a lot of factors at play here, and we'll be diving into those in just a minute. Stock predictions are always tough, especially when it comes to a specific company like Ambr. There are just so many variables that can affect the stock price, from the overall state of the market to the company's own performance. Investors are concerned because they don't want to get caught off guard if the stock suddenly takes a dive. Ambr is no exception, and its stock has been known to be a bit volatile in the past. This volatility can be a real problem for investors who are trying to make informed decisions about their money. The thing is, it's really hard to predict with certainty what's going to happen to Ambr's stock price. There are just too many unknowns out there, and even the best analysts can get it wrong sometimes. All of this uncertainty can make it tough for investors to know what to do, and that's why it's so important to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments. Market trends play a huge role in determining stock prices, and Ambr is no exception. If the overall market is doing well, it's likely that Ambr's stock will follow suit. But if the market takes a downturn, Ambr's stock could be in trouble. The company's performance is also a big factor, of course. If Ambr is doing well and making money, its stock is likely to go up. But if the company is struggling, the stock could take a hit. Economic conditions are another thing to consider. If the economy is strong, people are more likely to invest in stocks, which can drive up the price. But if the economy is weak, people may be more cautious, which can drive the price down. All of these factors can interact with each other in complex ways, making it even harder to predict what's going to happen to Ambr's stock price. Some expert analysts are predicting that Ambr's stock could take off in 2025, driven by strong company performance and a buoyant market. They point to the company's solid track record and its potential for growth as reasons to be optimistic. Other analysts are a bit more cautious, warning that the market can be unpredictable and that Ambr's stock may not perform as well as some people hope. They suggest that investors should be careful and do their research before making any decisions. The key thing to remember is that no one can predict the future with certainty, and even the best analysts can get it wrong sometimes. But by looking at the trends and doing our research, we can make informed decisions about our investments. Some potential catalysts for a price increase include new product releases, strategic partnerships, and positive earnings reports. If any of these things happen, it could give Ambr's stock a big boost. To sum it up, Ambr's stock has the potential to skyrocket in 2025, but there are a lot of factors that could affect its performance. By staying informed and doing our research, we can make smart investment decisions and maybe even catch a big wave. Let me know what you think about Ambr stock in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial insights and analysis.